Hi everybody, and welcome to today's elevaTOURS by DieselDucy product review and unboxing. Today's item comes to us from Prometheus Lights, which now wholly owns FourSevens. As you know, I have been using FourSevens flashlights on this channel for over a decade, and this is the Maelstrom MX3F floody version. The reason I wanted a floody version is because it works perfectly as a video light. Prometheus Lights was kind enough to provide this flashlight to me for review, but nonetheless, this will still be a completely unbiased review. I like the box it comes in. As you pull it out, you get your first glimpse of this beautiful blue flashlight. This is the instruction manual that tells about the flashlight and how to use it. This flashlight features 5 brightness levels: 5, 50, 400, 1600, and on turbo 2600, but it will only maintain turbo if the battery is almost fully charged and only for about 30 seconds. As with previous FourSevens flashlight, you get plenty of extra parts, and I like the fact that they include a different switch cover so you can personalize the light. They even give you a tool to take the switch off. As you can see by that reflector, it will be a very floody beam, which again is perfect for video lighting. And this is a high CRI flashlight as well. This flashlight also features a user-swappable TIR instead of a reflector. The emitters are the Nichia 144A, which operate at 4000K with a color rendering of 90+. A 26650 protected battery is included with the flashlight. Like I said earlier, the only gripe I really have about the light is in order to access turbo mode, the battery has to pretty much be fully charged. Now let's go take this flashlight out and use it in the real world and see how it does. Now, I'm not one of these super technical YouTubers, so here we are in a real-world situation behind my apartment where it is pretty much pitch black. My car is right in front of us. I am about 20 feet away from it. We'll start off on the lowest setting. Even on the lowest setting, you can still see the car somewhat. It's bright enough to where you can see what's going on, but you'll still have your night vision. Let's step it up one level. Now we'll go up another level. Wow, even on the third setting, it's bright enough to where you can see everything around and it's nice and floody. Now let's go to the brightest mode below turbo. Wow, this is not even turbo, and it lights up this entire street, as you can see. Look at this. It lights up the entire street. Now, like I said, my gripe about turbo, watch this. See, the battery is, it's not quite fully charged. It'll come on for a second, then it'll dim out. So in order to access the turbo, you have to have a fully charged battery, but this is quite impressive. And the biggest benefit to this light, as you notice, look, there's no hotspot, just pure flood, which is absolutely fantastic for shooting video. Here we are at another fairly dark location, standing outside the front of my house. In my hand, this is my original Quark, which I got back in, I believe, 2009. And as you can see, it's got a hotspot, and it's about 200 and something lumens. Now we'll pull out the Maelstrom, starting on its lowest setting, which is the moonlight mode. Now we'll bump it up one notch. And further. We're not even at the brightest setting yet, and as you can see, no hotspot. There's its brightest setting, and now that we have a full battery, let's go to turbo. Wow, this is amazing. And as far as a video light, the color rendering is amazing, and there is no hotspot. Now let's go to the backyard. As you can see out here, it's really dark, and we can go through all the brightness levels here, and we can move it around without disturbing the neighbors. As you can see, this light lights up my entire backyard. And I like the way it has a little light in the switch that tells the battery level. This isn't even on turbo right here, and it is still plenty bright. I can see at least 150 feet away with no issues. Bump it up to turbo, and wow. And this, for comparison, is my Quark flashlight that I got back in 2009. There's no comparison. The Maelstrom is like 1,000 times better. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.